Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to program a Toyota Sienna remote. First, gather all the remotes you want to program, including any existing ones, as programming one can erase others. Make sure your driver's door is open and unlocked, with all other doors securely closed. Also, confirm that your ignition key is completely removed from the ignition cylinder before starting. To begin, insert and remove your key from the ignition 2 times within 5 seconds without turning it. Next, within 40 seconds, close and open the driver's door twice. Then, insert and remove the key once. Immediately after, close and open the driver's door 2 more times. Insert the key into the ignition and leave it there, then close the driver's door. Turn the ignition to the on position, then back to OFF and remove the key. The door lock should cycle once within 3 seconds, confirming you are in programming mode. Now, to register your remote, press the lock and unlock buttons on the remote simultaneously for about 1.5 seconds. Release both buttons, then immediately press and hold only the lock button for approximately 2 seconds. The door lock should cycle once within 10 seconds, indicating successful programming. If the locks cycle twice, the remote was not accepted, so simply repeat these steps for that remote. Remember to program all your remotes during this single session. Once all your remotes are programmed, simply open the driver's door to exit the programming mode. This action will finalize the process. Now, it's time to test each remote individually. Verify that all buttons, such as lock and unlock, function as expected. If any remote does not work correctly, or if you encounter any issues, you may need to restart the entire programming procedure from the very first step. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.